How to turn off typing indicators on Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to hide the typing indicator when you are writing a message, then first of all, open up the Signal application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and tap on Privacy. Now, turn off the button right next to Typing Indicators. Once you have this turned off, other users will no longer see your typing indicator. Keep in mind that you also won't be able to see anyone else's typing indicator from other people while they are writing their message. So that is how you turn off the typing indicator on Signal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.